Have you ever wondered how to find trending dropshipping products that can really boost your store's revenue? Well, today we've got some hidden gems that could be your next big seller. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you some incredible products that you might never think about, but their sales numbers will surprise you. I'm talking about from like futuristic tech gadgets to niche solutions for the elderly. These are products that you will want to consider for your Shopify store. So stick around because you do not want to miss the huge profit margins that I'm about to break down. All right, so let's kick off today's list with this potential gold mine right here. It's this smart scale. And look at that. You might be used to the old-fashioned scales that only show your weight and so on, but this one's quite cool. It's packed with advanced tech that tracks detailed body metrics straight to an app. Now, I spotted the same model selling for $109.98. Look at this. On a dropshipping store called Libai. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but as you can see here, this is the website. Now, before adding it to my own store, I just wanted to prove that it actually sells, not just blind luck. So what I did is I just copied the store's URL like this, and then I went over to Analytics store sales tracker and I pasted there like this, and look at that. Look at the results, my friends. Here you have a full analysis about the store, including data that Shopify does not share, like revenue and other bestsellers, apps, everything. It's crazy. Now, I can see here that this smart scale has sold 25 times in the last 30 days. And the next question I have in my mind is, can we source it for a solid profit? And for this, I just use Zig's item finder right here. I just click here, let it load. And as you can see, there's so many options. Let's go with this one. And look at that. I can see that this is indeed the same exact item, and it's sold for just $15.03 with free shipping. Guys, this is over 7 times higher than the dropshipping store price, And the cool thing is, check out the product reviews. They're excellent. It's a 4.8 rating and 420 sales. Now, let's just break down the profit together. The dropshipping store sells this item for $109.98. Shopify fees are 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. So that's a total of $3.48. The price on AliExpress is $15.03, including shipping. So the profit from each sale is $91.47. With 25 sales in the past 30 days, the dropshipping store made around $2,286 in profit before ad and operation expenses. Let's move to the next product. In the next product, we got this portable label printer. The thing is, with back to school season upon us, this product is definitely trending. It has I think it has a really cool design. All right. And it's just a major step up compared to the other portable label printers that I've seen in the market, And I found this Swedish dropshipping store, Zerti, if that's how you say it, was Zerti. Anyway, they're selling it for 755 Swedish krona, which is around $78. And just to make sure that, they're selling well, I ran over to Zig Analytics. I did the same thing, all right, to the store sales tracker. And look at that. Let me open for you right here. Look at that. We have everything here. So this product has been sold 84 times in the last 30 days. It's not bad at all right? Now, let's just source this product from AliExpress and look at that. So this is the exact same product, and even comes with one label roll. And the price is $42.43 with free shipping though. So using the same calculation as before, that means that the dropshipping store is profiting $33 per sale. And with 84 sales in the last 30 days, that is $2,000 $800 in profit. All right, so we have covered 2 great products for dropshipping that you should consider adding to your store today. And if you found this video helpful, it would mean a lot if you could just show your appreciation by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. And if you want to use the same tools that I've been using in this video just to uncover these trending products, you can subscribe to Zik Analytics for just $1 for the first week. All right, don't go anywhere, because now let's go over the turnover pad. And right here, this is our next product, and it's one product that I'll never have thought about it selling on Shopify, let alone knowing it existed without conducting thorough product research. This device helps turn older people in bed with ease without injury. So it's an important product, especially for the elderly. And I would say it's a niche product with a huge opportunity. By targeting paid ads at nursing homes or people with older parents, you could attract highly targeted traffic willing to pay for this helpful device. And I found this product being sold in this dropshipping store for 345 Swedish krona, which is $36, okay? And the cool thing is this: when I ran again the store through Zik Analytics store sales tracker, I found out that this product sold 102 times in the past 30 days. Now, sourcing the product, the price, it's the exact same product, and it can be sourced for only $5.84 plus $10.45 for shipping. So it's a total product price of $36. This means that the profit per sale is $18.30 after Shopify fees. And my friends, with 102 sales in the past 30 days, that's a total profit of $1,867 from a product that not many people even know about. All right, so this is really exciting here. And next up, we've got something really cool. I think it's the coolest product here in the list today. Is this cloud humidifier. Just a really small device. It's a fully operational humidifier. You just add water to the device, and then you can add essential oils in it if you want. You can create a cloud-like smoky effect. And I've seen a lot of humidifiers, but this one is definitely one of the coolest that I have seen. And I found this product being sold in a dropshipping store for €30.95 or $34.99, right? And by scanning this store, I found out that this product has sold 23 times in the past 30 days. And I also found an exact match for this product on AliExpress. Look at that. It's only $14.51 plus $9.59, so that's a total price $24. So that means that this product is generating $9.50 profit per sale, and then with 23 sales, that's $218.50 in profit. This product can be a good investment by adding it to your store, because I really believe that sales for this product will continue to increase as we approach the colder months, when people spend more time indoors and need more humid air. All right, don't go anywhere, because next up we've got the desk cooling fan. And it's just a perfect product to keep anyone cool during work. And as you can see in this video, this device is powerful. Okay, it is powerful. Look at that. And I found this dropshipping store selling this product here for $49.99. And then when I scanned this store using Zik's store sales tracker, I discovered that the same product is available on AliExpress for half the price. I'm not even kidding. All right, look at that. So it's $20.13 plus $4.51 for shipping. So that's a total of $24.64. And this means that for every sale, the dropshipping store is profiting $23.50. And with all the sales it had in the past 30 days, we're talking about $728 in profit. All right. And okay, the next product is a strategic one, is the inflatable blow-up costume suit, and it's a dinosaur one. Let me look at that. And the thing is, with Halloween coming up at the end of October, now is the perfect time to start selling this inflatable blow-up costume suit, especially for those early planners. When sourcing from AliExpress, it's smart to add these products now and start making sales from people who plan ahead. Inflatable costumes have been in high demand for the last few years, and the trend seems to be holding up strong this year and next year. So I found this dropshipping store that is selling this product as a dinosaur model, which is the most popular one. Okay, and the price for this product in the dropshipping store is $75, including shipping to the US. You see here the price is different, but once you add here the product to the cart and then you put United States address, you can see the price, how it drops, all right? And when I scanned this store, I saw that the product is in demand, my friends. Even though the peak time for this item is typically like early October, as of today, this product has generated 194 sales. Now, let's talk about sourcing, because I found the exact match for this product on AliExpress for just $39.63 plus $13.69 for shipping, a total price of $53.32. So this means that this dropshipping store is profiting $20 per sale, and with 194 sales in the past 30 days, that's $3,880 in profit. And guys, did I mention that we are not even in the peak season for this product yet? All right, so the last product on today's list is this moon projection lamp. And you know, I love these kind of products because this is a great device that can transform your room into an astronaut's point of view. And marketing a product like this is pretty simple. You just set the room with minimal light, you know, and show the lamp in action. I found this product in a dropshipping store, and they're selling for €39.95 or $44.99. And then when I scanned the product using Zik Analytics Store Sales Tracker, I saw that it had only 29 sales in the past 30 days, you know, and it's not a huge number, but could we find a low sourcing price to compensate for the low sales volume? And if we can generate high profit margins, the sales might still be worth it. So let's find out together. And look at that. We have the exact match, all right? And the price is just $3.97 plus $7.17 for shipping. Total $11.14. So this means that we're looking at a $32 profit from each sale. Even with just 29 sales in the past 30 days, we're looking at $928 in profit. All right, my friends, that's the end of today's top product video. If you found it valuable, I really appreciate if you could like the video and subscribe to our channel. As you can see, adding products to your store should always be based on data and not guesswork. So drop a comment below to let us know what you think about these top products and if you plan to add them to your store. All right, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.